Hey guys, this is very interesting question. 3 cubed minus 2 to the power of 5 plus 2 squared divided by 4. 3 cubed means 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27, right? So 27 minus 2 to the power of 5 plus 2 squared divided by 4. Now 27 minus 2 to the power of 5 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 32, right? So 32 plus 2 squared divided by 4. Now 27 minus 32 plus 2 squared means 4, right? Divided by 4. Now 27 minus 32 equals minus 5, right? Plus 4 divided by 4. Now minus 5 plus 4, minus plus minus, so minus 1 divided by 4. Minus 1 divided by 4 and minus 1 divided by 4. But this is wrong. Why? Because exponent must be done before addition and subtraction and multiplication and division. So exponent first, then division, then subtraction, then addition, right? So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Parenthesis first, exponents, multiplication and division left to right, and then addition and subtraction left to right. So 3 cubed means 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27 minus 5, 2 to the power of 5 equals 32, right? Plus 2 squared means 2 times 2 equals 4 divided by 4. Now divide first. 27 minus 32 plus 4 divided by 4 equals 1, right? Now subtraction and addition from left to right. 27 minus 32 equals minus 5 plus 1, right? Now minus 5 plus 1 minus plus minus, so minus 4.